Hi everyone, I am Zafer Barış.
And I am NSI.
Today we will introduce our equipment inventory database management system. Does your business have an inventory management system?
Do you have all the right products available at the time of need?
Do you lose any business due to items out of stock?
Do you lose any money due to excessive stock?
With this project, you will easily solve these problems.
We provide your company can easily list, reach, change, add and remove, shortly manage their co-workers, products and departments. With the advantage of our system, those are presents more efficient, easy and tidy to the company. Our system is a complete lifesaver for companies that wants to enter large markets, selling a lot of products, and not wanting to drown in it. With our links between tables, we got rid of the complexity, shortened our lists over common parts, and this create an ideal database management system even for beginners.
Companies that manufacture and sell tangible goods or resell products from the other firms must track and manage potentially hundreds of thousands of units of inventory. Using our system to control inventory units can help a company achieve the goal of inventory management. This includes objectives such as keeping cost controlled, increasing profits, reducing theft, managing cash flow, and ensuring that the end customer always has a way to get their hands on the products they want and need.
Company can easily reach all information like which co-workers for works for which department to that department's contact information, products to the location of the factory producing that product, categorize, search all your equipment and tools by using their IDs, by sorting the products according to their quantity, you can see which product has decreased and renew the stock. You can manually add the products to the system, check and track all of them, create and display identifier labels for all your equipment and tools, add a new employee to the system, display information and change position of specific employee, record information about vendors and manufacturers. Why should you choose us?
A company's optimized inventory level walks a fine line between too much and too little. Many companies strive to avoid holding excess inventory while simultaneously trying to meet customer demand. This helps prevent having too much money tied up in inventory that sells slowly and frees up capital to reinvest in hot-selling items. Many firms have moved to just-in-time inventory systems and advanced software solutions to achieve these goals.
Well-managed inventory can be an important key to achieving a company's overall profit margin goals. If you systematically control your stocks, you can easily avoid overstocking or dead stock, and you can increase your profit margin in the long run.
With the easy interface of our system, stock quantities can be tracked and any abnormal stock reductions can be detected. Thus, we prevent possible theft and keep our company safe. For example, when your database says there is a 5 product, but your depot only has 3, you can assume that two of product is stolen.
You can avoid dead stock and overstock situations with the assistance of an inventory management system. Inefficient management of inventory can lead to revenue loss, overspending money, etc. When you streamline your inventory management, you not just eliminate the stock expenses associated with the human mistake, but also can earn profit by further cost savings. You can also calculate what is your safety stock. Most importantly, it can get your product history through which you can refill your stock and manage inventory accordingly.
For example, one customer comes to your shop willing to buy a specific product which is not available in your shop. You wouldn't not want that, would you? So in this illustration, you lost a potential client and business. However, if you are using our management system, You can easily check if stock is low or finished. With our system, even new companies can carry out their transaction in large markets without any problems and turmoil, and they can always stay in the competition. Perhaps the biggest benefit to using inventory management software is that it makes the process of managing your inventory a whole lot easier, saving your time, money, and quite frankly, sanity.
The most integral part of the inventory management system is to regularly evaluate your business to keep you on the road to success. With our management system, your company will gain speed on the way to growth in the most efficient way.
Hi, I am Mehmet Melih Karakaya. And when it comes to fact finding, we have started with research. Unfortunately, our team hasn't got any money, so we couldn't create our own research. However, there are many researchers and examples out there. For example, from one research, we understood that we need access control, management system, and information about the data and so on. From one other research, we can see that we need to determine which data is necessary for us to collect, because the unused data is a waste of data. And we continued with observing other databases. We have looked at Categorize and other websites. With looking at other websites, we have seen that what they have done right and also what they have done wrong. Many databases are created with not much detail in mind, and then after the company has grown, they have changed the system of their databases. However, it's a time-consuming process, and we have created our database to be flexible and efficient so that your company will get things done when it's necessary. And in this example, we have separated our database system to products and categories so that for your employees it would be easier to use for searching purposes. We have created SKU in our products so that the product you add will be easy to search and ready to ship. Unlike other databases, it will not be stored in the description as a text, which has no way to automate because it's really hard to parse a complicated string and description. Here there are two examples from big websites like gettogetio.com. This is a product, it has information in here, and this information was supposed to be a table. And the code, the SKU, was supposed to be a table too. But the problem here is this whole information is string, which has no way to automate. It would be really hard for customer and your employee to search as well. And in here as well, this is a note rather than a table. And we continued with prototyping. We have created many prototypes along the way. One of them is shown here. We have analyzed that every product needs category ID, every product needs SKU in order to be used in shops, and so on. We need models, image URLs, brand names, descriptions, and SKU as a different column. And we continued with joint requirements meeting. To be consistent in our database, we have connected in Jitsi meeting. We have connected really easy with our team and discussed all the problems that companies may have and improved our database. Every weekend at 9 o'clock, 3 hours. This improved our consistency while we are making the database. And this is an example footage. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Emre. I will show you our ER diagrams. This is our UNF table. I part of it because it doesn't fit the page. We have some entities, and then we create one NF table. Same way I part of it because it doesn't fit the page. We add some primary case. Then we create two NF table. We part of the one NF table to new tables. We make new relations between them, and we add some primary keys. This is our old 3NF table. which we send to our customer to review it. As a company, we love our customers and we always keep contact with them. Our customer send us the message. Our customer says that we have reviewed your design and he have decided that we would like to expand some features. Specifically, we would like the system to keep track of the manufacturer information of products. Then we add manufacturer table and employee table. And we actually add users and roles table. This is not connected to these tables. It's connected to our interface. I will show you relations between the tables. First one, I will start with manufacturer table. Between product table. Manufacturer may have 0 product or many product, and product may have 1 manufacturer or manufacturer. Then we create a relation between category and product relation table. And products must have 1 category, and category may have 0 product or many product. We have relation between department and category. Category must have 1 department, and department may have 0 category or many category. And department may have 1 contact or many contact. A contact must have 1 department. Then department must have 1 manager. Manager must have 1 department. Then manager must have 1 position, and position must have 1 manager. And last one, a position may have many employee or 0 employee, but employee must have 1 position. And our interface, we have users and roles tables. Roles may have 0 users or many users, and user must have 1 roles. Thank you.
I'm going to show some queries that Joseph wanted from us. First one is listing all products that are in a certain department. To understand the solution, we have to look relationship between the tables. Department has categories. Category and product have many-to-many relationship, and we store the values in product table. So, in order to get products in a department, we have to get categories in that department. Then we use this result as a subquery to take product ID in a product table. And finally, we use prod ID to display products information, and this is the last one of the query. The second one an easy one. Basically, we have an employee table which stores all values. We calculate maximum, average, and minimum salary. Then we group by with department ID, and it's working very well. The last one is removing a category and all products that are in that category. As I showed above, we have many-to-many relationship between category and product. And we store information about which product belongs to which category in product table. We added a foreign key that connects category ID in product table and category ID in category table. And this is the foreign key has reference on update cascade on delete cascade. So whenever we delete a category, it automatically deletes all rows which has same category ID in product table. But we cannot delete products with a foreign key because product table is a child, but product table is a parent. So we have to delete products manually. For final form, we delete all products that belong to desired category in product table. Then we delete the category, and it also deletes rows in product table. Maybe some of you wonder why we delete product first. If we delete a category, we cannot access any information about which products will be deleted because it also deletes rows in product table, which store connection about category product tables.
Hi everyone, it's Burak Erçıktı. I will introduce the interface of our project. We designed the interface using Bootstrap, HTML, and CSS codes. Also, we used the PHP programming language to use it from the database. For example, here we can list the records of the product table by using SQL queries with PHP codes. This. Also, there are 3 user roles in our application. First one is user. User can only add and delete products. Second one is admin. Admin can add and delete manufacturer, category, and products. The third one is superadmin. Superadmin can do any action. By the way, I will explain the interface to you as the superadmin. Also, we did not implement login, register, and user authentication in our application. This is the dashboard page. These are our tables. This part shows the number of items in the database. For example, a total of 3 items are stored in the departments table. There are three parts here. They are edit, view, and add parts. In the edit parts, there are functions to edit and delete records. In the view parts, the properties of the tables appear. In the add part, we can add products. There is also a product filter part where we list the products according to their departments. Let's take a look at the departments table. It contains 5 columns. Here, maximum, minimum, and average salary for each department. There are 3 records in our table. Also, our database as it appears. Here, we can edit or delete records. Also, department table view like this. For example, I will change these records. Data structure. The database has also changed, and the list successfully changed. Also, I can delete these records. Yes, deleted. Successfully deleted database and deleted in the list. The product table. Product table contains all the information about the products. The table currently has multiple records. Also, the product table record like this. There are 24 records in total. Also, when we press any column, it sorts the rows. For example, when I press ID, the ascending or descending order is listed sequentially. We did this with JavaScript code. For example, let me change these records. I will rename it. This product, I will rename it. Yes, the name has been changed successfully. I will also show you from table view part on the interface. Yes. Also, we are searching this. Also, I can delete any records. For example, these. I deleted. Evo is Evo 111. Yes, successfully deleted. Also, yes, deleted. This is category table. Each product must have a category. This I can edit or delete records. I will show you table view. This. I will edit this records. Edit. Yes, successfully editing. And categories. Yes, successfully edit. I will show you how to delete any category last, because when I delete a category, all products belonging to that category will be deleted. Well, manufacturers. The manufacturers table contains information about the company that produces the products, like name, address, phone, and mail. I will edit this record. Sony manufacturer. Yes, successfully change editing. All right. This is managers table. Each position must have a managers. I will change the name. Manager. Yes, successfully changing. Also, I deleted managers. Yes, successfully deleted. This is employees table. Each employee has a salary, department, and position. For example, let's change an employee's position here. IT, human resource. This is name Zafer. Change position human resource. Yes. Employee. This is position table. Every employee should have a position. The position table has name, description, authority, and authority description. For example, let me change these records. Manager. Yes. Position. Yes, successfully changed. Also, I will delete manager. Yes, successfully deleted. Okay. Let me show you the add part. This is here can add a new product. These are current list. Now let me add a new product. I'm adding. Let me check the database. Products. Yeah. Yes, added. Let me check the lists. Yes, successfully added here as well. This is product filter part. Here is a list of all products in a particular department. BB03. All products belonging to the BB0T department are listed. Yes, successfully listed. For example, I'm deleting these records. SSD. Use and this. I'm deleting these records. All products belonging to these categories will be deleted. Yes, there. All products have been deleted. Well, that is all. Thanks for listening.